Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Notion for notes, pro tips step by step clearly. Open Notion and create a new page for your notes. Choose the type of notes you want to take. It could be lecture notes, meeting notes, or personal reflections. Start by giving your page a clear title to easily identify the subject. Utilize the built-in templates by clicking on Templates in the sidebar. Select a suitable template, or start with a blank page if you prefer a custom format. Use headings to organize your notes into sections. Type your headings using the / command and selecting H1, H2, or H3. Under each heading, jot down key points or summaries in bullet form for clarity. Incorporate multimedia elements by dragging images, videos, or audio files into your notes. Highlight important text using the formatting options available in the toolbar. Create to-do lists by using the checklist feature for actionable items. Assign dates or reminders by utilizing the calendar integration to keep track of deadlines. Links to external resources can be added by pasting them directly into your notes. Use callouts for additional emphasis on critical information. Take advantage of the toggle blocks to hide or reveal details, keeping your notes organized. Use the database feature to create a more structured approach to your content. Add tags for easy filtering and searching later on. Sync your notes across devices by using the Notion app on your phone, tablet, or computer. Consider collaborating with others by sharing your notes with teammates or study groups. Review your notes regularly and update them with any new information or insights. Explore Notion's web clipper to save online articles directly into your notes. Lastly, personalize your workspace with icons and cover images to make it visually appealing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.